all that verbalization that we did,
Sure.
and then we can repeat it in English, and then we're going to have our first prayers.
Okay.
Ashhadu
Ashhadu
alla ilaha
Allah
ilaha
ilaha
illa
illa
Allah
Allah
wa ashhadu
wa ashhadu
anna
anna
Muhammad
Muhammad
abduhu
abduhu
wa rasuluhu
wa rasuluhu
wa ashhadu
wa ashhadu
anna
anna
Isa
Isa
Abdullahi
Abdullahi
wa rasuluhu.
Rasulu.
Yes, so which in English means I testify,
I testify,
I bear witness
that
there is no God
there is no God
worthy of worship except Allah, and I testify that Muhammad is the messenger and slave of Allah, and I testify that Jesus is the messenger and slave of Allah.
and is a slave of Allah.
Congratulations.